In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a Pine script into Tradingview. Let's dive into the process step by step so that you can add your own custom indicators and scripts seamlessly, making the most out of Tradingview's capabilities. To begin, it's important to start by signing into your Tradingview account. Tradingview is a fantastic platform filled with advanced tools and features, but you need to be logged in to access them. If you're new and haven't set up an account yet, there's no need to stress. It's a quick and easy process. Just head over to Tradingview's website and follow their straightforward registration steps. Once you've done that and are signed in, you'll find yourself ready to explore and navigate the main Tradingview platform. Now, let's focus on how to insert a Pine script. Pine script is a special and powerful scripting language crafted specifically for Tradingview. It empowers you to create custom indicators and strategies tailored to your trading needs. Once you're in the Tradingview platform, you'll need to select a market or chart you wish to work with. For our example, we'll choose something widely known and traded, like gold. Simply click on gold to open up its chart. With the gold chart now displayed, your next mission is to locate the Pine editor. This tool is the heart of customizing your Tradingview experience. It's typically found near the bottom of your screen, snugly positioned next to other helpful tools like the crypto pairs screener. If you don't spot it immediately, it might just be minimized. Keep an eye out for a tab labeled Pine Editor and go ahead and click on it to open it up. With the Pine Editor now open in front of you, the real excitement begins as you're ready to start inserting your script. You have a couple of options here. You can develop your own code from scratch or utilize a script that's already been crafted. If you have a specific trading strategy or indicator that you've already written down elsewhere, simply copy the code from its location and paste it directly into the Pine editor. On the other hand, if you found a useful script online or want to try a pre-existing one, just paste that code into the editor. Once your script graces the Pine editor, remember that any changes you make should be saved, ensuring no work is lost. A Save button will be conveniently located along the top of the editor. Give it a click, and, just like that, your work is safely stored and ready for action. From this point, you can run the script, allowing Tradingview to blend your custom indicator or strategy directly into the chart you're analyzing. And there you have it, a seamless way to insert a Pine script into Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, leveraging Pine script can significantly enhance your trading strategies. Remember to explore, experiment, and enjoy the process of creating and optimizing your trading experience. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!